I was so amazed because I got monetized for just only 12 hours. I applied for monetization around, I think, 8 o'clock a.m. and then I got a message from my Gmail around 8 o'clock or maybe 8:39. I gonna show you later. Hello Philippines! Hello world! Good morning or good afternoon or good evening. Today's video is all about my gift from my king. By the way guys, thank you so much for my 3K subscriber. I love you guys and thank you for subscribing my channel. And thank you so much for my supporters. Of course, I'm not a famous blogger. I'm a small YouTuber and I got monetized just last day. And thank you so much for watching all my videos, guys. I love you all. And guys, I got monetized last day and I was monetized just only for 12 hours. Yeah, I applied monetization around 8 a.m. Yeah, 8 a.m. and then I received a message from YouTube around 8 at night. Yeah, that I am already monetized. I am already partner of YouTube program. So guys, and then of course I was so excited. Of course all the new bloggers are very excited if they got monetized. Yeah, and then I check my YouTube channel, right? That I asked my king. Oh yeah, my king has my boyfriend. I call him king because he's really my king. It's so amazing. Yeah, so I asked him to watch my video if I really do have ads. So he watched my video and it's really that I got an ad. So of course I'm so happy, and then of course I'm so happy, and then I said, yay, I got monetized. And then he's just very quiet. Of course maybe he's thinking something, you know, my king, he always surprised me. And at night when we had our video calls, he's looking for the, of course, Amazon. He's a Amazon lover. He's looking for something. He said, I asked him what he's doing. He said, I'm just looking something here. So he never told me that he gonna buy this one, a drone. So, and then in the morning he said, he told me, maybe I gonna order a drone. I said, and then of course I didn't believe, because I really guys, I don't believe if I didn't see this thing, that if someone will tell me like this, like that, I really never believe if I didn't see it or he didn't show it. Yeah. Yesterday night here, of course morning to him, he said, maybe tonight I get my package. Yeah, so and then night on his time, because he's living in Germany, so we have 7 hours time difference. He said he showed me the box and I never thought what is inside the box. I said, oh, what's inside the box? He said, secret. He said like this. So, and then I asked him, can we open the box? He said no. He said like this. He said no. He said, of course I just keep quiet. I was thinking, wow, what inside the box? I thought he was joking that he gonna buy me a drone. So, and then until we stopped talking on the video calls, he never opened, because I was always asking, my king, can you please open the box? He said no. So, and then when I woke up this morning, yeah, I woke up this morning. He sent me a video, and the funny thing is, he's the one who unboxed my video, because I was always joking at him. I said to him, you know, my king, lots of vloggers did do unboxing. Me, I don't know what I'm going to unbox, because I never order online like this, like that. Of course, guys, because of my kind of living here, and you know that I am a caregiver. Of course, this is not my place, this is not my house. I'm just staying here because I'm still in caregiver, so I can't do what I want here. So I told him, I saw lots of vlogger. They are always uploading unboxing like this, unboxing like that. So I always saw him. He ordered a lot, and his everything he wanted to buy, he ordered a lot, and every day he got a lot of package coming to his house. So I said, maybe when I get there in Germany, maybe every day I have unboxing. So guys, what he did is, he did the video for the first time, but he never talked. It's okay. And for the first time, he did a video that he unboxed for me. You see, guys, how my king is amazing. He's so very supportive. And when I woke up this morning, I got a video from him that is the one who unboxed my drone. This is silent unboxing, guys, because my king does not want to talk on the video. This is his first time doing a video, and I'm so very thankful, and thank you, my king, for being my always supportive king ever. I love you and I miss you. Okay, guys, the name of the drone is DJI new release drone. The pictures on this drone is next to this video. So my king, thank you so much for that. You are really amazing, and I love you more for that, because you know guys, my king is so very supportive, very supportive future husband, my future husband. Because of Max is not yet my husband. We are you because we are not married. Hopefully next year. And so guys, he's the one who unboxed my drone. My drone is DJI Mini 2. Yeah, it's a new release drone, guys. It's so very amazing. It's so very just small, and then I think it's so very nice, and I can't wait to have it, and I can't wait to try for the first time how to use the drone. Of course, I'm gonna learn how to use a drone first. And so guys, to all the new YouTuber, guys, don't give up, yeah, because me as a new monetized, I struggle a lot, of course, for making my channel to be monetized. Of course guys, everything we have to struggle, and everything we wanted to our life, we have to struggle to have it. No, there is no easy way to have something that you never struggle for it. You have to work hard for it, and never give up, guys. Because before I said, oh my god, how can I get the 4K watch hours? So guys, you have to do what's that is you have to join lots of group, guys. Yeah, you have to join. Yeah, even though you are sleepy, guys, don't give up. Just try your best, guys, try your best, guys, so that you gonna achieve your goal. So once again, guys, never give up. To all the small YouTuber, never give up na matupad nyo yung mga goal na maging isang YouTuber at ma-monetize. Pero dapat marami talaga kayong madaanan na mga struggle, but don't give up, guys. Anything will be fine, will be alright. You can achieve it, guys. Fight lang. But anyway, to my king, thank you so much for the gift. I love you, my king. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you are new here on my video channel, if you are new here on my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, guys, if you have a question, or you want something that I'm going to do on my vlog. But of course, guys, wag lang yung mga mahirap. Yeah, wag lang yung mga patambling-tambling, kasi hindi ako managtambling. Okay guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and I love you all, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Stay healthy and safe always, guys.